Hi, thank you for checking out video 2 about rib cage. Let's get a sense of width on one side. I'll work the same way as you. Feel your lower ribs here, you're on number 10, 9, 8, 7-ish. And you're going to translate, you're going to shift your ribs and your body weight, so a weight shift and an extra shift into that side. Could be with the other hand is just fine, but shift over to that left side and have a bit of weight on that hand, or both hands. So you've got something to push into. And then your hand can push in, and you might even side bend a bit the other way. And breathe in here. And breathe out. Breathe in. Keep some weight, keep some pressure there. Feel some presence, some action, some expansion, some volume. And center. Can you get the fingertips under the armpit? And breathe. You might have to image this one, it's not so easy to touch or feel. There's less movement here, but there's still a wide from the breath and from your movement. Further up under the armpit and that left side. And then get a sense of higher up. Can't really touch here so easy, just on top of the tissues there. But get a sense of width. Weight shift to your left. Shift your ribs over that way, your head could go over that way. Breathe and widen that side. Come back center. You might find you are wide to that side. There's more space there. Let's change over. So weight shift to the right. This little self-handling here. Shift the weight and push the ribs. So it's a bit of that and a weight shift to exaggerate movement. Mobilize the spine here, nice side movement, and quite a weighted touch there. And you can push on the way in. Gives you something to breathe into, some contact, some proprioceptive support here. Where you are in space right now. Could be higher up, left hand could be around here, right fingernails can be up. But breathe. Exhale to release, inhale to shift over that way. Get a sense of higher up, these ribs right up to the top. 1, 2, 3, right higher up. Shift your weight and breathe in and move and sense that widening. Let's bring both sides together. You can just meet your fingertips in the center and breathe in to separate. Breathe out. You can be quite firm here as long as there's no rib injuries, and inhale. Widen, like bucket handles, widen up. Release, breathe out, narrow. Shift your weight a bit left to right, play. You might be flexing slightly with your spine and extending. Perhaps one more time, more narrow, could be higher up of course, and then wider. It's more significant down here, but there is a lateral movement with your breath to your ribs, part of your lung expansion, part of mobilizing here, presence here. Ribs are part of our postural support and of course organ protection here. Let's keep looking after our ribs with touch, with awareness, with exercise, and be sure to check out the other videos in this series. Thank you for watching.